Here we go, Dad. Are you ready, Lane? Where are we going?
To the races.
How are you gonna do at your race?
Pretty good, and I may get you a whole shot.
Think it's gonna be a little rocky, a little hilly. Just rolled in. Got a little fog coming off the mountain.
TD Bank rates have actually helped
Looks pretty
us
flat here.
build new and more affordable housing,
Yeah.
and actually keep
Yeah.
families
Looks
Looks like
around
the track's on a
in the
mountain.
neighborhood where they
Yeah,
also
but I
work.
think the track is on that mountain.
Hey, Mom. Look at.
I know, you can do it all by yourself. You're a big kid. You unloading your bike?
Are you revved up for freedom? What do we say about those shirts?
Sun's out, guns out.
Woohoo! Let's see those guns. No, your muscles. All right, go ahead. Go.
Going the wrong way.
Round 3, NYOA,
Yeah.
Locomotive, right? What do you think it's gonna be like out there today? You think it's gonna be a little muddy, a little rocky?
I may hit the rack.
You might hit the rocks.
I'm gonna go faster.
Got you all dressed? Ready to rip? How fast are you gonna go today?
1,501.
NYOA is a dead engine start. The official start. When they put their arms past to the playing of our national anthem.
What so proudly we hailed
Good luck, girls.
Mom and Dad, everything's different. That moving forward. How's that track out there for you? A good track, you like it?
Go, buddy! Go, buddy!
Keep going! Keep going!
You got second. Good.
Yeah, buddy! Jump! Keep going, Lane. Go through the scoring one more time, okay?
Good job, Knuckles. Good job. I gotta go get ready. You did good.
Did it kick your butt?
He outran me.
Hey, good job today.
Mud.
You wrecked in the mud?
Yeah.
That's all right. But you got up and kept going, didn't you? You finished. You did 3 laps. Hi, Dad.
Passing in this area.
What up?
What up?
Round 3, NYOA. Sun just came out, hot, muggy. Track's going to be, I think, fast, and hopefully get a good start.
Will be posted approximately 30 minutes
Good
after
solid
the last
clean laps
rider
is the plan, so
check your score.
here we go.
If you have a
We've got a
question,
pretty full class
go to the
today.
scoring trailer and ask for the event. For every 3 racers, signs, staked areas, track.
Brett, how you gonna secure first place today?
Just going to smoke Jesse right off the start.
X. Now please listen for a description.
Hey, Lane, how Daddy gonna do out there?
I have to line my race.
Yeah.
I saw some money in the window.
Daddy do out there?
Good.
He did good, you think? What place do you think you came in?
Second.
You think second? Let's hope so, huh? Brian said
How do you get fucking wrapped around? That helped a lot.
What do you think of that?
Holy fuck, dude.
Yeah?
I have been falling asleep once.
Really?
Oh yeah, he's going half leg.
Yeah.
Think of that, Chaz.
He said he liked some of it.
That was not fun.
The only part I liked is load my bike in the truck.
Sweating so bad.
You're sweating so bad. Was it a hot one today?
I went up a rocky hill.
You went up a rock hill.
Like disgusting.
And what was?
That rocky hill was disgusting.
The rock hill was disgusting.
Yeah.
Look at that hair. You can make a mohawk out of that. See?
Prep me by like 15, 20 minutes.
Look at that mohawk. Lane, what do you got?
My first trophy.
You got your... That's a nice plaque, isn't it? Let's go show Daddy.
Right! Huh? Did you have fun? Awesome, man.
Alright, we just left. We got about an hour and 20-minute ride home. What was it like, Dad?
Oh, wow. Not what I expected it to be. It was tough. It was a lot harder and tighter than I anticipated. The track was rooty, a lot of rocks. Got a terrible start, locked bars with somebody, and just put me right to the back. So I had to fight through. Made my way up to third, I think, on the first lap, and I saw Brett in second place in the field, and they were probably a good 20 seconds in front of me at that point. Tried making a really good push. I felt good at that point, and yeah, I had a really bad wreck. I don't want to say bad wreck because I came away pretty lucky, but could have been a bad wreck going down one of those hills. Just tucked the front and high-sided it. After that, I just got up and tried putting in really good, consistent laps, and man, I was gassed. I don't know if it was chasing Lane up and down that mountain for his. A lap 4, it was I was feeling fatigued.
But you didn't have water.
Oh yeah, my water thing, I don't know if it's when I locked bars with that guy. The end of my water came off, so I couldn't drink my hydration pack. So yeah, all in all, I took third. I'll be happy with that. Lane's race was unbelievable. That was
He's gassed.
that was a proud dad moment right there, seeing him basically complete 3 laps all by himself. Never really expected that once I saw how hilly it was. But yeah, I can't think of all the other parents that helped him when I couldn't keep up with him because he just outran me. Thanks to Petey and them for giving me waters every time I ran up and down that hill. So he did awesome. Had a couple crashes, but overall he stayed super positive and just wanted more. He was aggressive. He rode well. And yeah, proud dad moment right there. Round 4, Seneca Highland.
Yeah, Father's Day.
Yeah, thankfully we got a couple weeks off. I can use it.
Here are the plaques. They're pretty sweet. You like seeing the train on there? Because stay off the tracks.
Yeah, Locomotive Mountain. Up the hill, down the hill. They forgot to mention the roots and rocks.
Good job, Dad.